All right, so here we are unboxing the Luma bag, and you know, it's been a while since I've been really excited to unbox something, like really legitimately like feel it throughout my entire body, excited to unbox something. And I've needed a new bag for a while, and when I saw these, I'm like, I don't know, maybe. Literally took me probably about 2 years or more to want to change bags, because I mean the one I have, it's a great bag and it fits everything and it's really durable and it's held up, but I really needed something smaller, lightweight. I'm getting older. I have some physical issues between my shoulder, my knee, and my back due to military, and well, I need to lighten the load, which is why some of the camera gear I have is why I have it, because all the lenses I have are not heavy lenses. All the cameras I have are not super big and heavy. So it was time for an upgrade, a lightweight upgrade-ish. Yeah. Let's unbox this thing. All right. Now, I'll tell you what, I give it to Nomatic. They really seal these things up really good, which is good. I mean, you're sending something across the country, and you want to make sure that it gets there safe and it doesn't get destroyed and things like that. Okay. Here it is. And I wanted something also with color. Everything I have is basically gray, black, or some variation of that. And I really wanted something with some color. So they have 4 colors of these, by the way. They have a black one. They have a either sage or mint. I think it's now sage, but I think originally it was mint. They have a gray one. And then they have a rust one or an orange one. Well, you wouldn't know it by my EDC and my accessories and my desk setup and everything like that, but my favorite color is orange. I love the color orange. I do have a phone case and an Apple Watch band that are orange. I don't use them and wear them because I love the case that I have and the watch bands that I have. But I was like, you know what? This is something that I can carry that's orange. And so as you can see, I got the rust or the orange color. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen some of the other videos out there about this particular backpack, but it's got a good amount of storage. You can see it's pretty thin. It's 18 liters. My everyday backpack is 15 liters, and it's expandable, I think, to 17 or 18. But yeah, it's got a lot of really nice features to it. So let's, you know what, I'm not returning this, so. All right, so the straps I've heard are really nice. And I'll do a long-term review on this backpack as well. And I'll probably do an update of what's in my camera bag at some point as well. But so if you want to travel, you have this strap right here in the middle to where you can put it through your luggage handle, and this will sit nicely on top of your rolling suitcase or whatever. It's got the chest strap to better support like up here, which that one has, and I actually use that every time I put it on, just because I feel more supported. You do have a magnetic water bottle thing here. You can put a tripod here, but I'm going to use this for a water bottle because underneath here, if I can figure out how to pull it out, right here you have a tripod holder. And you basically put the 2 feet in here, and then you clip it here. Now the biggest con that I have so far of my whole overall experience ordering this backpack is the cable cord, or the cord, or whatever it is you want to call it, that you put right here to strap in your tripod or anything else. I had to buy separately. I mean, come on, at least include one. That's all, just one. I don't understand the issue. Why? So as you can see, I ordered 2 of them, just because 1, I know I'm going to want a spare, and 2, just in case something ever happens. So you basically feed it through here. I don't really have any nails, so it's a little bit harder for me. I don't know, because I like some symmetry, I might feed it through this one as well. Come on. So then this way, attach it. So I'd rather have it this way right here in the middle, which I think that's the middle. That looks like the middle. And if not, we'll say it's the middle. I think it's the middle. It should be the middle. All right, so there's that. So this spare one will go somewhere safe. Hopefully where I don't forget about it. So right off the bat, you have a couple of pockets. You have this first pocket here, which is a quick access to your camera. You have this. You have access right here, which I will probably put like SD cards in and something like that. It's not a huge pocket, but it's a nice pocket. And then it's kind of like a loft style. So open it up and got right there. You have, I think this is the laptop. So right here, open it up. Laptop sleeve. It will fit a 16-inch laptop. I've got a 14-inch MacBook Pro, so it should fit no problem. And if I ever needed to bring my iPad Pro, well, it's the 11-inch, so that's also going to fit no problem. So, which is sometimes easier to do, easier to carry if you want to do quick edits that you can send to the couple right then and there. I have Capture One on my iPad Pro, and I have also like Photomator and things like that, but Capture One has all of the lens profiles and camera profiles. Photomator doesn't, so, but yeah, it's always good to have something. So maybe on a wedding day when you're eating or you have a couple minutes, you can edit just a couple of photos, maybe 5, like a handful. And those are some photos that you can give to the couple at the end of the night or something like that. But yeah. All right, let's open up the main compartment. All right, this opens all the way up. And so here we are. Here's where I'm going to wind up putting my main camera body. And then I'm going to have a secondary camera body here or here. And on a wedding day, I typically only have 4 lenses. So one lens will be attached, or I don't know, I'll have to figure something out because I'd like to have quick access to the camera, but I don't always keep a lens on it because I swap my lenses out. So like at the beginning of the day, I have the 16 to 28 zoom f2.8, and then also a 35 f1.8 lens prime. And then after the beginning, right before the ceremony starts, I swap over to my 28 to 70 f2.8, and then I put on the 85 f2 instead of the 35. And then the rest of the night, that's what I'm using. So unless I swap to just one camera at the end of the night during the dancing and things like that, then I'll just use the 16 to 28. Because I get in there on the dance floor and I try to get some wide angle shots, and I try to get some really nice, like right there in the moment shots. But this is what you get. This is where your loft is. All right, so when you open this, this is where you're met. I'll probably have filters, batteries, things like that up here. And there's a good amount of space. So I am going to have to find a place for my flashes because those are important and I use them. Here you have a nice big pocket. So right here. You know what? I retract my statement. And I feel like a total dum-dum. So apparently I did not have to order the strap. It does come with it. When I ordered this, I saw a lot of YouTubers that did unboxings, and there was not a cord in their bag. So, as an idiot, I assumed that it didn't come with it. But you know what? That's okay. So now I have two backups, and I am so certain I'm going to need two of these. So I'm totally fine with it. But yeah, these are good to have. And I like these better than the older system where it clipped on and then you had to snap it in, because the clips, for whatever reason, would always come off. So I think this is really awesome. So I apologize in advance. And you know what? I am still including that in the video. So, all right. So, but a nice pocket here. Heck, I could probably put my filters in here. And then, so you have another two pockets here, one big zipper, but then it's stitched here, so you have two pockets. So I could also put batteries in here, filters in here, or multi-tool in here, and other things. And yeah, there's plenty of room for my stuff. So this looks like it'll have a spot for all of my gear and everything that I need for a typical wedding day. Like I said, I carry 4 lenses and 2 camera bodies. I have a place for my SD cards. I have a place for my batteries. I have a place for my flashes. I have a place for my filters. And those are the main priority things. And then, you know, on the front here, I've got a place for my tripod, which I don't bring a tripod with me unless I am going to do either long exposures or I'm doing any kind of video work. Outside of that, I don't carry a tripod with me. But yeah, this is going to be awesome. I'm very excited to use this. So this is the Nomatic Luma bag, rust color, in collaboration with Peter McKinnon. And I am excited to get my gear in here. And one of my next videos will definitely be a what's in my camera bag. So hopefully you guys liked this unboxing of this bag. I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to put it through its paces. And I will be sure to do a long-term review on this bag as well. In fact, I could probably do a 5-year long-term review on my 35-liter Nomatic Peter McKinnon bag. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, smash that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos, and stick around for the next one. Later.